All right, hi friends. Yesterday we talked about squares and rectangles. So let's just take a look at those and let's review those real quick. Okay, this is a rectangle and this is a square. Good job. What is something that is the same about a rectangle and a square? Very good. They both have four sides. What's the other thing that's the same about rectangles and squares? Remember that word for corners? Very good. They both have four vertices, which is the corners, the points at where the two sides meet. Okay. What makes a rectangle unique? What is the thing about a rectangle that makes it a rectangle? Very good. It has two long sides and two short sides. How about a square? What is it that makes a square special? Very good. A square has four sides and they're all equal. Okay, so a square's sides are all equal. A rectangle has two long sides and two short sides, and that's what makes it a rectangle, and this is what makes it a square. All right, good job. All right, now what we're going to do today is we're going to start talking about two other shapes. Okay, the first one we're going to talk about is the circle. Very good. All right, take a look around from where you're sitting right now and see if you can find something that is shaped like a circle. Okay, I'm going to look and I have my teacup. And if I look at the bottom of my teacup, it is shaped like a circle. Okay. Mr. Rooney, do you have something that's shaped like a circle? What do you have?
I have a red onion.
Is it shaped like a circle?
Kinda.
It certainly is.
More like
All
a
right.
ball.
Like a ball, which we're going to be talking about next week. But we're looking at circles right now. But if I look at the face of it, that is shaped like a circle. Can you find something around you that is shaped like a circle right now? Okay. Now, let's talk about the circle. A word I would use to describe a circle is, it is round. It does not have any sides, and it does not have any vertices like a rectangle or like a square, right? There are no points to it, and if I take my finger, it goes around and around. There are no sides to a circle. Now, the other shape I want to take a look at today is called a triangle. Very good. Let's take a look at the triangle. And let's look at how many sides a triangle has. 1, 2, 3. Very good. A triangle has 3 sides. How about the points? How many vertices or points or corners does a triangle have? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. Very good. All right. So a triangle only has to have 3 sides and 3 vertices. Its sides do not have to be equal. To be a square, the sides all have to be equal. But triangles can be all different sizes as long as there are 3 of them. So for example, I'm going to take a look over at my board here. We'll do that in a minute. I could draw a triangle that looks like this. I could draw a triangle that looks like this. I could draw a triangle that looks like this. But they are all triangles. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 sides. They all have 3 sides. They're all triangles. They all have 3 corners or vertices, which I'm using dots to show. They all have 3. That means it doesn't matter whether their sides are shorter or longer. As long as it has 3 sides and 3 corners, it is a triangle, okay? So that's something important to know because sometimes they're going to make triangles different sizes to try and trick you. But the rule is if it has 3 sides and 3 corners, then it is a triangle. Okay, so we're going to take a look in our math book, and I'm going to ask you to open up to page 629. You see that there? 629, okay? You can pause while you get it, okay? Now today, we're going to use our circle and our triangle to make something that we see every day in real life. So I'm going to ask you to take your triangle, okay? And I'm going to ask you to trace that triangle on your paper there, okay? Let's trace the triangle, okay? And then let's go ahead and take your circle. And let's trace your circle. Okay. Now, let's color in the triangle brown. Okay. And let's color in the circle orange. Okay. So using our circle and our triangle today, what did we make? Exactly, we made an ice cream cone. We did. Okay, I just realized that I forgot to do something very important. So let's make sure we write our name at the top of our paper.
And the date.
Okay, all right, now go ahead and turn your page. Okay, all right, so now we are looking at number 1 in the blue circle. We have a circle. We know that the word we use to describe a circle is round. How many sides does a circle have? Very good, 0. A circle does not have any sides. Does a circle have any vertices? Does our circle have any points or corners? Nope. So it has 0 vertices, okay? How about our triangle? How many sides does our triangle have? Very good. Our triangle has 3 sides. How many corners or vertices does our triangle have? It has 3. Very good. All right. Now, take a look at my triangle. Does it matter if I put it this way? Does it still have 3 sides, 3 vertices? Yep. Does it matter if I turn it all the way upside down? Does it still have 3 sides and 3 vertices? Yes, it does. So like the square, it doesn't matter if I turn it or roll it, it's still a square. If I turn or roll my triangle, it's still a triangle. Very good. Okay, let's look at number 3 in the blue circle. Put your finger right there. Okay, let's name this shape. What is this shape? Very good. It's a triangle. They just turned it upside down. Let's look for the matching shapes, okay? Let's find the matching shapes in the circle, in this row, okay? All right, so let's take a look. All right, it has 3 sides and 3 corners, so it must be a triangle. Very good. Let's look at this. Is this a triangle? Nope, it has no sides, no vertices. It's round, so it's a circle. Let's take a look at this. 3 corners, 3 vertices, 3 sides. Is it a triangle? Sure is. Looks a little different than that, but it is a triangle, right? It's just skinnier. All right, let's take a look at this shape. 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. That must be a You got it, a square. How about this? 1, 2, 3. 3 vertices. 1, 2, 3. 3 sides. Is it a triangle? It certainly is. All right, let's take a look at this shape. All right, what is this shape? This is a circle, right? It's a round circle. Let's look at the objects here and let's find the other objects that are round circles. Is this a round circle? Nope, it's a rectangle. Is this a round circle? Nope, that is a triangle. Is the nickel a round circle? Sure is. No sides, no vertices. How about this piece of wood? Is the piece of wood? Nope, it's got sides and vertices, so it's not. How about this bowl of dog food? Yep, that is round. No vertices, no sides. All right. What I'd like you to do now is I would like you to do number 5, 6, and 7 on your own. Name the shape and compare it to each shape in the row and circle the matching shapes, okay? Okay, now you go ahead and check yours to mine. Okay. All right, good job. Okay, so now let's turn to the back page. Okay, now listen carefully. You are going to look at the circles and the triangles on the pizza. You're going to color the circles in green, and you are going to color the triangles in orange, okay? All right, I'm going to take mine down, and I'm going to finish. And you can be checking yours while you finish up. Okay. All right. Good job, friends. Okay. I will see you tomorrow for math.